Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about the trade that I took on Friday that has hit my target overnight. We slashed through the take profit target. I made a bunch of money to start off the week. And of course, I wish you all a profitable trading week, guys. I want to talk about this trade today that I took on my Hanko Trade account. I want to show you this real quick. So the history, this was today's trade. Well, it was Friday's trade, which slashed through my take profit overnight. I mean, I took this one in here and took profits down here. It was a beautiful trade, guys. I made a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. I risked around 2% and made around 4%, which is lovely. It's a 2-to-1, nothing to get crazy about, no crazy risk-reward ratio, but still good money. Let's get back in time a little bit. What we have in here from here, how much we have on the clock. Yeah, so we have around 4.7 million from April until today. Already withdrew 3.9 million. Yeah, the year so far was beautiful, guys. It was really good. I'm really happy with the profits, and yeah, let's get into the trading view. Let's talk about the trade that I took. Before we get started, guys, please make sure to check the links down below in the description. I know many subscribers came to my YouTube channel. Make sure to join my free Telegram channel as well to stay updated about everything, about trading opportunities, about results from me, results of my students. Sometimes I'm making giveaways and all that stuff. To stay updated, guys, follow me on my Telegram channel, please. And yeah, if you need any help, you can drop me a private message on Telegram as well. You will find the link in the description down below as well. And yeah, let's get it cracking, guys. Let's get inside. So what we had over here on Friday, guys, well, on Friday we had like a huge downward movement. The market was continuously going down. Then 8:30, around 8 o'clock, 8:30 New York time, the market was still going down. But then we came into this zone where the market pushed pretty strong the last time. I mean, this last zone in here, we respected that zone, and then the market at around 9:30, which is the New York Stock Exchange open, the market was showing us pretty strong bullish momentum. We had a huge wick over here on the 15-minute chart. The market was going up. We printed a nice blue candle. Let's check the 30-minute chart. I mean, I got in when the 30-minute candle closed. Pretty bullish in here with a huge wick on the other side, and I expected the market to get back above this one over here, above Thursday's high. This was my main goal for the first trade that I took, but if we go to the little bit lower time frames, you're gonna see that the market was not really moving. I mean, on Thursday we had Thanksgiving, and on Friday the volume was still not really kicking in. I mean, let's check the volume. Okay, on Friday we had some volume. It was beautiful. If we see Thanksgiving was nothing. The volume was kicking in, but it was not really going anywhere. It was, as you can see, consolidating pretty hard. And yeah, I was holding the trade through that consolidation here, but the problem was that we didn't got to a new high. I wanted to see nice bullish structure, but it didn't give me that. Instead of a nice bullish structure, we broke structure in here. This was the moment when I decided, okay, let's get out of this trade. It will probably not work and the market will just continue to go down. This was my idea. I was holding this trade for a long time. I mean, I was in this first trade for 1.5 hours, something around 1.5 hours. I was holding the first trade and it was not going anywhere. And I was like, fuck that shit, what we do now? And then it gave me a confirmation that it wants to go down because we broke structure with a little bit of momentum, and then I was like, okay, let's close the first trade early. This will probably will not go up. It will continue to go down. So I decided to switch to sell position. So I closed my buy position. Then I sold this thing, and I was just watching the chart, and I was like, damn, man. So it's still consolidating. Nothing is going on. It was Friday, you know, Friday normally the volume dies down. And yeah, it was just like a big headache to just watch it. And I mean, for me it was alright because I played basketball. I broke my ankle, so I was just chilling on the couch and making sure my foot is over my heart, you know. I was just hanging on the couch on the sofa, and I was just chilling and watching this thing, and I was like, man, it was so boring. And then I forgot that on Friday we had an early close day, so the market closed earlier than normal because of this holiday kind of thing. But I didn't realize that, so I holded this trade over the weekend. Didn't close it before the weekend, but yeah, I got lucky, guys. I mean, if the market was, the market was just going down, right? And I mean that it was not moving after the New York Stock Exchange opening, that it was not moving up, so it was pretty clear that it probably wants to take out the liquidity sitting down below these lows, and of course this low over here, that Wednesday low, and maybe even get down to this double bottom over here from Tuesday, right? And from the last week low. This is probably the next target that we are about to face if the market continues to go down. But I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna watch today's trading and see, maybe it wants to go up, but it doesn't look like there's a lot of momentum on the buy side. It looks like we should better watch out for a sell opportunity in here. But we're gonna see, guys. I got lucky on this one. Made a beautiful profit to start my week. Pretty relaxed right now. And yeah, it was a lovely start of the week. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop me a private message on Telegram if you need any help, alright? I'm there to help you get on top, guys. And join the free Telegram channel. Very important. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure to join the free Telegram channel to stay updated about new videos, feedbacks, trading opportunities, results of my students, all that good stuff, okay? Join the channel, and I wish you a great day, profitable week, guys. Take care. Thank you for watching. Peace.